Start by sitting on the floor with your legs bent, heels on the ground, and wider than hip width apart. Place your hands behind you for support. Start the movement by swiveling your hips to one side, transitioning into a 90-90 position where your legs are bent at a 90-degree angle. If your knees cannot touch the ground, that is okay. As you move into the 90-90 position, make sure your spine remains neutral and your core is engaged. Pause briefly in the 90-90 position, taking a moment to feel a stretch in your hips and outer thighs. Swivel your hips back to the center, bringing your legs back to the starting bent position with your heels on the ground. Repeat the hip swivel motion to the opposite side, allowing your knees to transition into the 90-90 position on this side. Expect one side to be tighter than the other. Pause in the 90-90 position to maximize the stretch on this side, then swivel your hips back to the center, returning to the starting position with your legs bent and heels on the ground. Continue to alternate the hip swivels to each side. Perform the prescribed number of reps or duration of time on each side. Hip swivels are beneficial for increasing range of motion in the hips, improving flexibility, and can help reduce tightness in the lower back and hips. Regular practice of this exercise can enhance your hip mobility, making it easier to perform daily activities and sports that require good hip rotation. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.